Hi children, good afternoon. Your madam here. Welcome to Standard 3rd. Hope you and your family members are fine at home. Now children, tell me during lockdown what you all are doing at home. What? Reading storybooks. Very good. Watching TV, helping mummy, very good. Playing games, wow, lovely, wonderful. Now what sort of games you all are playing at home, children? Many games. Okay. Now do you all know games are of two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are the games which we play inside our house, in classroom or at your friend's house, right? Examples are chess, ludo, carom, snakes and ladders. And then outdoor games. Outdoor games are the games which are played outside on the ground in open. For example, cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, football, hide and seek, volleyball, and so on. So today's topic, what we are going to study is a pretty game. Now I hope you all like playing games, you all enjoy playing games, and while you all are playing games, you follow the rules properly of that particular game. Right children? So now, our topic of today is a pretty game. This is our first poem, A Pretty Game. This poem is of the sun and the rain. Let me read the poem. This is loud reading. Lesson number 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last, they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now this poem is about a sun and a rain. They have planned today to play a game, hide and seek. Now here the sun and the rain in fickle weather. Fickle means what? Which keeps on changing. And weather, it is the climate. That means they have decided to play a game that is in the fickle weather, in the weather which keeps on changing. Sometimes too sunny, sometimes it is raining, sometimes it is dark, sometimes sun and rain both together in the sky. So they decided to play hide and seek. They met together to say goodbye. Even when you all finish your game, you all meet now, all your friends, you all meet together. Come on, hi, bye, we'll meet tomorrow. Like that you all say. Same way, the sun and the rain, they met together to say goodbye. And what happened when they were saying goodbye? A rainbow spanned the sky. You know what is a rainbow? Yeah, a rainbow is seen in the sky. It has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Correct? So a rainbow spanned the sky. Means as sun and rain, they said goodbye. What happened? What came in the sky? A rainbow appeared in the sky from this end to that end. Have you all seen a rainbow? It's very beautiful. It has 7 colors. Yes, children. So where this game is taking place? This game actually is taking place up in the sky, where there is sun, where there is rain, where there are clouds and where there is rainbow. Now all of you have to repeat after me this poem. Title of the poem, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. And at last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now after this lesson is over, can you see the sun? You can see the rainbow, you can see the clouds, you can see the rain also, right children? Now here below this poem there are meanings given. The first meaning is fickle. As I explained, something that changes quickly, suddenly. Second one, chase. Second one, chase. The meaning of chase is run after. Chase, the meaning of chase is to run after. One is running ahead and you run after that person. Then run after somebody to catch that person. Span, spread from one end to the other end. In the picture, in the image, you can see that the rainbow has span. That means from this end to that end. You can see the rainbow. Right children? So this poem is about nature. How sun and rain, they are playing hide and seek together. They enjoyed their game. After they enjoyed their game, they came together to say goodbye. And when they said goodbye, what happened children? You can see a rainbow in the sky. So usually rainbow is seen in the sky when there is sun in the sky and it rains together. After that we can see a rainbow in the sky, and rainbow has 7 colors. Now after that, when you finish the meanings in your notebook, you are supposed to write hard words in your notebook. And the hard words of this lesson are: number 1, pretty; number 2, game; number 3, fickle; number 4, weather; number 5, hide and seek; number 6, chase; number 7, hiding; number 8, goodbye; number 9, rainbow; and number 10, sky. These are the 10 words, hard words, which you have to write down in your notebook, your revision book which you had for the last academic year. Write down the topic, write down the date, underline the topic with your pencil. If you have a red pencil, fine, you can underline it with red pencil. If not, you can use your pencil, your normal pencil what you use, underline it. Then topic, you write hard words. Then start giving numbers 1 to 10 and write all these hard words which I have told just now. The first alphabet of this hard word will be capital. After you write hard words, your second assignment is you have to write down the meanings which is already given in your textbook. And this image is also shown here, so you can copy it from the image. The third thing what you have to do is you have to write down names of other games which you play and enjoy. Any 5 games, names of any 5 games which you all play and you all enjoy. Then children, the next word is you have to draw a rainbow, picture of a rainbow, color it beautifully in your revision book itself. Now, then they have given you what is the words related to weather and sky. That I will WhatsApp you all, so you all can copy that answer in your notebook. Your handwriting should be neat and your page should be tidy. Use a pointed pencil. Before you start writing, sharpen your pencil properly. Throw the litter in the dustbin not on the floor of your house. Don't keep on rubbing again and again. Use margin properly for writing numbers. Write headings properly. Your cursive handwriting should be beautiful. All the words, the first word will be capital, rest of the words you have to write properly, same size. The words which come below the line G, J, it should come below the line. Don't get confused in D and B. Write properly in beautiful handwriting, it should be written. No spelling mistakes, no grammatical mistakes. And as you finish, get it checked by your parents. And as the school will reopen, I'll conduct a class test of this lesson. You have to learn this poem by heart, write down the assignment properly, and 2 to 3 lessons will be conducted. So children, I hope you all have understood this poem. Now answer to my questions. Who are involved in playing this game today? In the poem? What? The sun, correct? Rain, correct? Rainbow, very good. Yes, these 3 characters are there. Then, which game they are playing? They are playing hide and seek. Very good. Then, why they are coming together back again? After the game is over, to say goodbye. Right. And when they said goodbye, what is appearing in the sky? Right? Yes. Louder. A rainbow. Very good. How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? What? 5. No, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It is known as Vibgyor. We say Vibgyor. Right? Okay, so children, this lesson is clear to you all? Yes, baby? Yes, you all have understood properly? Yes, you all have understood? Okay. Thank you, children, and do your assignments properly. And any queries, if children are having any queries, students should speak to me on WhatsApp. They can record their query and send it on WhatsApp, and the recording should be in English. If you have any problem regarding your assignments or regarding this poem, please WhatsApp me your voice recording, but it should be in English only. And a humble request, speak at home, converse with your parents, with your brothers and sisters, children, in English. Have a good day. Bye children. Bye.